And domestic violence was present
Mm.
in the relationship between the two parents.
Mhm.
Um, can that impact on who gets custody of the child?
Yes, it really can.
I suppose a lot of people would argue, well, I'd never hurt my child just because me and my
Mm.
wife have argued. But it doesn't really work like that.
It doesn't really work like that. And there are special rules about when a violent ex-partner can have contact, and it depends on whether they apply and you say no. If you say no, you can't because you're a risk to my child, then court proceedings can start. And there's a whole raft of things that can happen after that in terms of assessing that partner. The Domestic Abuse Act 2021 now includes a special provision that classes children as victims of domestic abuse if they've witnessed it, heard it, or been around it, or as well as them, they might get caught in the crossfire. Um, it's complex, so it's worth getting some legal advice about. But what I would say as well is where there is a dangerous party involved, one of the parents is a dangerous party, there are special measures that can be put in place to keep everybody safe within the court arena. Separate entrances, separate waiting areas. In many cases I'm involved in, there'll be a screen down the middle of the court so that the frightened parent can't see the aggressor, as it were, and the aggressor can't be making faces, making noises. Um, there's a lot that could be put in place to protect the victim of violence and to safeguard them through this procedure as well.